This is how to make these trending smooth text captions in After Effects. So create a text layer and then expand it. Then click on animate and select opacity. Next to animator 1, click on add, property and then position. Now adjust the second position value to move the text down a bit. And then set the opacity to 0. To animate the text, expand the range selector and then make sure you're at the start of the clip and then keyframe offset. Now set the value to -100, move forward a bit and then increase the value to 100. Now expand advanced and then set the shape to ramp up. And also increase the ease low to 100% and play around with the ease high value. If you want to animate words instead of characters, then you can simply click on based on and then select words. To make it even more smooth, you can enable motion blur, and if you don't see it, then press F4 on your keyboard or click on toggle switches and modes. To make it look even better, you can apply some deep glow as well. And if you want to apply this animation to other text layers, then you can simply copy the animator 1 and then paste it onto the other text layers. If you want to create this text animation entirely inside Premiere Pro, then check out this template on adobebasics.com.